show you guys how unique yet crazy this is to put together. So this is how it comes out of the box. You're wondering where the heck are the legs, right? So you unzip this. It's like the friggin' FBI left you a package. All tied up in a bow. So you take this out. And these, whoa. These are the legs. And you take your knife, you open this box, and that red cord is attached so you don't throw away the tools. And then, of course, the legs are in here and you attach as such. How crazy is that? Right, it is a totally complete. Feels like it took an eternity to put these bad boys together, but I absolutely love the way that it turned out. So we have everything from World Market, this fiddle leaf tree, and then I ended up getting this concrete base at Home Depot for like 30 bucks, and it fits it perfectly. And then of course my DIY centerpiece that I made from that nice vessel, which is from West Elm, and then the greenery, which is from Homegoods, and then the table is from World Market, the carpet is from Homegoods, and then these beautiful chairs are from World Market as well. I'm gonna pull one out so you can see what they look like close up and all around. And I'm not sure about getting 2 more for the ends or doing something more oversized. So let me know in the comments down below what you think. I love the